So in this video, we're going to show you how to make a Screencastify video. So Screencastify is this icon at the top. Now, if you don't have that icon, you can search the Chrome store. And you just look for Screencastify. And it'll show up here. So once you click on it, it'll load up to the top. Now, there's a few options when looking at Screencastify. And so when you click on it, you can see obviously that I'm recording now. I'll stop it, pause it, or put it in the garbage. But when you are recording, there's lots of different options for you. So right now I'm recording my entire screen, but there's an option as well where you can add your video as well. And what will happen is right at the bottom here, a video of you talking as you are using information on the screen will pop up. So please choose to use it in any way that you'd like. When you are finished talking and showing information that is on your screen that you're sharing, all you'll do is press the stop button, and then it will bring you to a page where it talks about your recordings. And then just going to pause this for a minute, and then you can actually change the title of it. You can publish it to your YouTube page. You can send it in an email. So what you're going to do for me is after you finish your Screencastify, you're going to send it in an email to me. So you'll email it to me. You can also download it and save it in. So these videos are automatically saved into your drive. So that's important too. Or you could just share the link with me, which is amazing. You want to make sure that your share options are super clear though. You could also get a QR code and send me that code that I could look at. But if you're looking at your share options, you want to make sure that public is anyone can find the video. Unlisted at GoTVDSB is people at GoTVDSB who have the link can view the video. So this is where you are going to want to keep yours so that not everybody is going to find it. So once you click on that, you can copy the shareable link, or you can view it on Drive and, of course, send it to me in an email. So hopefully this helps you understand how to use Screencastify. Remember, you can always delete recordings that you've created. So things that you don't like or that have changed over time, you definitely can delete. Obviously, I use this tool a lot. Happy recording!